Put it in. Café. So everybody, ¿cuánto es para café?
25.
Haha, a little bit of running, we made it, man. If you're already going into the water, tell the guys normally perform. What's up, ladies and germs? We off the beaten path, man. I'm gonna take you guys where you normally don't go.
Son bellísimas, una negra muy Ande venga, no se quieren volver locos.
Oye, señora, tengo una pregunta. ¿Dónde para internet? Claro.
La tarjeta. Minuto.
Oh, solo de.
Solo
internet.
Internet. Aquí. O aquí. Un paquetico.
Yo quiero 3 días.
3 días.
Yep, that's right. All right, Lil Sasua, aka Boca Chica. But I'm gonna take you guys where everything ticks and make that beach area actually function. Now, here's also the best part, man. I'm gonna take you guys even to a part of the beach that tourists really don't explore. I don't even know if they know it exists. But before we do, RichesMethod back at it again. Don't forget, subscribe, click the bell notification, hit notify all. Make sure you drop your comments. Make sure you hit that like button right now before we get started. Absolutely go ahead and share the videos on your Facebook and your Instagram. For my travelers, I highly recommend that you get the ebook and audiobooks on travel, safety, and dating. And for those who want to live abroad, get the cheat sheet to financial freedom and the good life, how to live or slow travel abroad. Available for instant download at PayHip. All the links are also in the description below. So let's go. Boca Chica. Now I do have a nighttime club scene in this video with 2 of the most shapely waitresses I have ever seen, man. But before we get to all that, man, every city got a downtown, Duarte Avenue. It's mostly sometimes a shopping area. Here people go to buy stuff, get a haircut, whatever else. So we're gonna explore a little bit of that before we hit the beach. And let's check that out.
En la farmacia Doña Olga, con todo lo que queda del mes, estamos en especial, tenemos una gran venta.
You know I gotta do some interaction, get some help. Be on my gringo English. ¿Qué guagua para la playa?
Una ruta que pasa
Acá. ¿Dónde la guagua?
La guagua también pasan ahí. La guagua
Cabrón.
Gracias.
Hey! Why la playa? Haha, a little bit of running, we made it, man. We got the bus. Let's get to the beach. Listen, now we at the beach, man. Listen very carefully as I get offered everything that can get wet. Fish, which is pescado, plus. No quiero pescado. No quiero pescado. Está bien.
You're not gonna baby.
Nada. Yo vivo acá. Yo tengo unos mujeres. All right.
You guys ready to see the hustle is alive. The news already started. Hustling here for the chicas. I got ready for you. Y'all ready for me already? Guys, come on to Boca Chica, don't get the fish, man. We do it by the weight. And you gotta choose your fish. No quiero gracias. We have Boca Chica beach. Got some rain coming, but hopefully that'll pass. Nice little green water. So the only thing with Boca Chica Beach is you got one day to hustle. Family day, Sunday. Come out here. First thing will happen is they'll try to sell you pescado fish. It's expensive. For some reason, although the yard is it's extremely expensive. So I recommend you guys literally choose your fish yourself and get the price up front. This place is known for overcharging people. Like, yeah, you say you want fish, you don't know it's by the weight. Just give you a basic price. And then it turns out your fish is 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds over. Next you know you're at $80. And they will charge you American prices. You don't speak Spanish, you're not Dominican, you got Dominicans get got. Get the price for everything before you do. Sit over here. We're going to do the cabana. A lot more, I don't know, definitely more chill out here for sure. I would be like, yeah, maybe if I was an American family, I'd probably choose this site, especially if you're already going into the water. Just come out here and grab some. Not bad. Definitely a good life. Yeah, we had the more family-oriented, normal kind of spot. We have the police chilling underneath their trees and everything over there. I ain't gonna put the camera on the police. Looking at me right now like, yeah, that's a tourist, that's a foreigner. We can see him. He got his cup in his hand. People headed out this direction. And a lot more like chilling with the family on this side. Alright guys, I just give you a part of DR that you won't normally come. So you ain't gonna normally come to this side of Boca Chica Beach. I'm sure the prices over here probably nice and regular too.
All right, guys, so listen, man, if you ever been to the DR, you already know how they do with the music. So they're blasting the music, but they're blasting it from their cars parked at the beach, right? So right now, they're really hitting us with a copyright. So anyway, listen, the massage lady right there looking good. There are a few good things on this beach, man. Very local, very nice, cool vibe. Yeah, let's check it out. Man, check this boat out. It's a whole different world out here. Gotta love it. Different world. Gotta love it.
you're trying to catch that, and it runs back inside. Yeah, I ain't gonna go further than here. All you guys have a full balance, you know, everything. That's not more local than over here. Not bad at all. Good like go up. Everybody up for this a good second. Yeah, take my ass back the opposite direction. Unless I really want to walk a lot. Wait. Shit, we got everything back here. I definitely understand out. But yeah, what the Gringo doing on this side? The adventures, man. Check it out, people. Yeah, okay. You know, interesting the thing about any country you go to that has tourism, you always got like a local park. That one, people can escape the pricing, but two, if they're already working tourism and they just don't feel like seeing a foreigner, they could just come out and chill, like we ain't gotta worry with them. You know? What a bit. Coffee. So everybody, ¿Cuánto es para café? 25. 25? Okay. 25 pesos, 25 pesos for a shot of Dominican coffee. I got no idea where this leads, man. But I'm just following it down. Let's see where it come up. We're on that adventure. Look at the view. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. The rain is coming down.
Hit the club. All right, guys, so as you can see, right, this is actually a karaoke spot. Now, this spot is like a block away from the beach on the main tourist area, but still had like a local enough open vibe for me, right, which I personally like. Now, right now, of course, the song that's playing is popular as hell. The guy's normally performing, but this view right there is actually two of them, her and the one behind the bar. I gotta admit, man, I jumped on the motor. I told the motor guy, like, yo, take me to a spot where, you know, it's on the main strip that all the people go. But he tried to tell me, oh, yeah, right on the beach strip. And I was like, nah. Take me somewhere else. She was sitting out front, man. Now listen, she sat there for like 30 minutes. She came in. I was like, wait, you work here? Blah, 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 blah. Listen, man, the hips, woo. No, the other thing is, although she was sitting outside and I was the third person up in there, literally, when I walked to the bar, man, there was another one that works behind the bar. Same thing. Now listen, I don't know if they're wearing, what is it called, Brazilian shapers, body suits underneath them jeans or what, but both of them, woo, brother, hourglass figure. Now, everything is stacked in the sides, the hips, the front, up top, face not too bad. The one that you were seeing, she younger than the other one behind the bar, but let me tell you, the other one behind the bar, I'm sure she probably looks 10 years younger than she is. Now, fellas, you won't get a lot of club videos from me because, as you can see, copyright, right? Now, the other thing about it is that this is a karaoke spot. If you walk out the door, walk around that little building that you see on the opposite side of the street, you'll find your club that opens real late, man. Everybody packed into it after 1 o'clock. I even had a hookah over there, so enjoy. Download the Traveler's Cheat Sheet. That's a guide to dating, safety, and travel. And if you'd like to live abroad, I've also got a book for that. That's called The Good Life, How to Live or Slow Travel Abroad. And for y'all who need just a little bit of help on the financial side of how to make this happen, I got the Financial Cheat Sheet. All of them available for instant download at payhip.com.